Hello fellow Forex traders, this is Mark from TradeDeskPro.com, the technical analysis and trading academy for the financial markets. This is another edition of the TradeDesk Pro Market Opinions. Before we start, I have to go through the risk disclaimer. I will leave this up for a few seconds so you can pause the video and read the entirety of the risk disclaimer. I will just mention this. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information contained on this website and in this video is provided as general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. TradeDesk Pro will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation, to any loss of profit which may arise directly or indirectly from use of or reliance on such information. Today is Sunday, January 15th, 2017. In this video, we will go over US oil, copper, gold, and silver. Let's get started with US oil. As you can see, we've been in this ascending channel for pretty much the last 8 months, since April 2016. What I'm thinking is that we will be trading within this triangle, up and down. The box will be some sort of a pivot between bullish and bearish. So if you see the little triangle here in the RSI too, I do think we will resolve this on the 19th, on Friday, with the inauguration. That's when we will see a direction, but I do think the direction is down. Levels on the downside would of course be this sliding parallel, the red one, with price approximately $51 a barrel. Next level down would be 48.95, 49 basically, which is a daily reversal level. Next up would be this area here, which starts at $47, and if we break through this, we can easily see 43s with a particular interest, 43.68, another daily resistance level. If we pass through this, next support would come in around $34 a barrel. Okay, next up is copper. After we broke out of the triangle, prices have been going up almost vertically, with finding resistance at the 88.6 and trading between the 88.6 and the 50% fib retracement. Last few days, last week basically, copper has been gaining more and more strength, RSI above 60, meaning I am expecting a move higher. The 88.6 would be a target, but ultimately $2.90, which is a daily reversal level of the May top here. Well, not top, but temporary or intermediate top. I wouldn't be too surprised that we go higher and break that, and next resistance would be around $3.16, $3.20. Next up is gold. This fork has been phenomenal. Upper parallel resistance, 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 going to the median line, back to the upper parallel resistance, and all the way down to the lower parallel. And it's actually a given that the median line will be touched again. Whether we're gonna break through the median line, I don't know. I would expect it to give some resistance, maybe a little move down to here, and if we go to the median line again, we will probably break it, and we will revisit 1258, about that, around that level. I'm still a bear on gold, so I do not think it will go over it, but we're getting close to 60 RSI, so any move above 60 would mean that there's significant strength going on, and maybe coupled with the expected bearishness on the dollar, which could also impact gold. Okay, so be careful around the median line. Would be a good place to take some profits if you're long, and be careful with shorts. And last but not least, silver. Silver, as you can see, nice little channel here to the downside with a so-called median line for me. I couldn't find a nice fork to draw, so at that moment I just take sliding parallels from this underlying trend line, so to speak, and I just copy them over. Silver has been getting some resistance here for the last 4 or 5 days. RSI is also at resistance. If we break through this, I think we will get to the 50% retracement, and we might get higher, especially this confluence between the 50% fib retracement from the move down and the old move up, the 38. That would be a level I would look at. It would also be a test of the breakout, of the breakdown level from this lower parallel from the fork that was instrumental for a number of months. Thank you for listening. Be safe trading out there, and have a great week.